Bienvenido mi gente. We are back with another touch football video. This is going to be a different type of touch football video because it's not really going to be in touch football, but we'll get to that in a second. Now, before we actually get with the rest of this video, I have an announcement for the people that have been begging me to play for their country. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to be picking 4 countries. There's going to be a poll in the top right, and we're going to have a voting of the 4 most voted countries, and those are the countries that I'm going to be playing in a exclusive stream that I'm going to be doing here on my channel, obviously. And I'm going to be playing as those countries, live streaming it, and then make it as a video at the end. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to get involved, make sure to vote. So yeah, okay. And other announcements as well. We are about to hit 5,000 subscribers, and that is a big milestone for me. It is a thing that I didn't expect to hit this soon. We are going to be having a 5K subscriber live stream where I'm going to be playing a bunch of scary games, playing with you guys, and just having fun, you know? So if you guys want to join that as well. And yeah, now let's actually get into the video. Ahora sí. Bienvenido mi gente. Today we are going to be playing the anticipated, the wanted... No, actually one person only asked me to play this. But we are going to be playing Futsal game mode. So obviously, if you don't know what Futsal is, it's basically like an indoor soccer type of game. The champions of this is Brazil. So we are going to be playing today as Brazil. I'm expecting them to have Brazil because, I mean, how can you have Futsal and not Brazil? But yeah, we are going to be playing this today. And let's see how good this Futsal game mode is. Alright, I think we did get Brazil, I think, in this tournament. So let's go. Hopefully I do get Brazil. Yes, let's go. We're actually Brazil. Let's go. Let's go. Vinicius. Ooh, what a shot. Right there. The middle for my boy. Let's go. These guys are all fighting because they were playing the tournament before this. Too easy. Too easy. Come on. Whose goal is that? Oh, okay. Let's go. 2-0 Brazil already. Is this why they're the best? Oh my god. Hold on. We have no keeper. Oh, that's an easy goal for my boy. I feel bad. These guys. Oh, I actually like this replay system they actually added. That is dope. That is dope. Come on. Right there. That's mine. Let's go. First goal for Brazil. W. Well, for me. Okay, so the physics of the ball is actually really weird. Pass it. Oh, my son with the dribble. And I'm right there. Let's go. Oof, what a shot. Is that me? That's a hat trick. Let's go, Vinicius Jr. Let's go. One of them left. Look at that shot. Damn. This reminds me of another score. Gotta go. Not playing. All love to Brazil. Damn, 8-0. God damn, the game hasn't even ended, bro. Oh, we actually scored that. What? Okay, I guess. Oh, that's easy. Nice. 10-0. Have I ever won a game 10-0? Even in the regular touch football? God damn, bro's writing paragraphs, man. But let's go. First game, Brazil. 10-0. 4 goals for me. Let's go. Crazy. Where am I now? Am I still Brazil? No, I'm Argentina, bro. I don't want to be Argentina. All right, we just got to have to play this game. We're going to come back when we're Brazil again. First goal, though. All right, we are Brazil once again. It's a 2v3 right now, so this is going to be quite hard. My teammate, I think, is AFK, so... Oh, no, he's back. Let's go. 1-0. Vinicius. Maestro B. 5. Oh, my God. They're still fighting over... Okay, I actually have to fight. Come on. What? Brazil, I can't let Brazil go out. What the hell is Blood doing? Oh, easy goal. Easy goal. Let's go. Oh, no. Oh, my God, thank God. Wait, what? What happened to the team? Easy come for Brazil, I guess. I mean, it's always been easy for them. Ooh. Just took that man's whole legs. Why is he still talking? They already left. The brothers left, my guy. They're gone. Let's go. 6-0. Damn, we're just destroying every team. I mean, we're destroying them because he lost all his teammates. Oh, they all left. Oh, somebody actually joined. Let's go. Oh, my God. I got that. Oh, it just passed. It just barely passed through. Come on. What a setup. Oh my God, how did I miss that? I set myself up so good right there. Still made it in. Let's go. Actually, not that bad. The physics is a bit off, but I can kind of adapt myself to it. What happened to... Oh my God, the other guy left too. It don't matter. We won 9-0 at the end of the day. Oh, that guy left too. Okay, it's only us two, Johnny. We got a 1v1 now. 1v1 to the finals or semis. You haven't even reached the semis yet. Let's go. 10-0. Let's go, Johnny. Oh, he left, bro. I made him leave. You don't score that, David. I swear to God. Okay, we're Brazil again in the finals. Okay, we got to win this. Brazil versus Argentina. Let's go, Johnny. Let's go. Oh, my God. I've never been so scared. Oh, my God. I'm reversing this guy that I had in my last team. Johnny! Come on. Let's go. 2-1. Come on. Let's go. Sir. Caraca. Caramba. Was that an assist? Was that an assist? I think that was an assist. I gotta score that now. Oh. Come on, Johnny. You gotta keep the lead. Oh my God. Oh my God. What did it? Oh my God. He actually saved that. Huh? Is that? Let's go. 3-1. Let's go. Oh, one of them died. One of them gave up. Let's go, Johnny. Let's take this chance. Oh, he actually stopped that. No. Oh my God. I'm hitting posts. Nice. Let's go, Johnny. Let's go. Let's go. This is going to be our first futsal tournament victory with Brazil in the World Cup Series. Wait, can I hit a hat trick? Hat trick, send it off. 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 Let's go. 5-1. Asi. Well, I don't know how they say it in Brazil, but let's go. Let's go. We won as Brazil. Caraca. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Let's go. Balón de Oro. I don't know how many goals we got. I'll check in a minute. But holy. Okay. I can't see well. I think that's 35 goals and 5 assists. Hold on. I got to check again. I don't know if it says how many goals, but I think we got 35 goals. I can't see well. 35 goals. I think it's 35. Let me see. Let me see. It is 35 goals in one tournament. Holy. That is crazy. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to watch my other touch football videos. They're going to be on my channel. And as always, hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'm out. Caraca!